In order to use cheat codes in the Delta emulator, all you need to do is first open your browser and just search this up. Cheat codes and then the game you want cheat codes for. Once you have done this, just load up any website which has cheat codes. So we want to have something cool like the always big. So you just need to copy the cheat codes on the website. Make sure all the text is copied. So just copy that again. And then in the emulator, tap the menu button. Then select cheat codes. Tap the plus. Then just set the name of the cheat code. And then paste the code here. Now, many of these cheat codes will be GameShark codes. So just select GameShark and then put the codes in. And so if we tap the save button, we also need to add the main cheat code. So we'll just tap plus one more time. And this is not for every code you see here, or on other sites that is, but on this site, you see M must be on, and you just need to copy this cheat code. So just copy these like this, and then we'll just put the code in. And so in this case, all of the cheats require this cheat code to always be on, and then the other codes work. So if we go back and we resume, let's have a look. So at the moment, I'm not seeing always big. So if we just reload the game like this, I'm just going to fast forward this, make sure the cheat codes are on. Let's try again. So let's go through. So we should have always big on. And if a code doesn't work, you can see that clearly does not work, then we'll just try another one. So we have here infinite lives. Just copy this. So you should get the general idea of what I'm doing here. I'm just going through, getting the codes. So copy, and then paste. So let's test out this one. And you can see that my lives immediately went up to 100. It's typically 5. So it's a little bit finicky there. You can see not every code is going to work. So you just have to play around, go through the websites, test things out. But yes, we now have the maximum lives in Mario. That other code didn't work. This one did. Hope this guide helps.